Guys, you heard it right. With just one product, I made 30,000 rupees on Meesho in just 1 month. I can show you quickly my dashboard as well. So you can see I've selected 30 days and today is 21 Feb. Let me just show you what's the date today. So you can see that today is 21st Feb and I've selected 30 days time period, and you can see I got 139 orders in the last 30 days with 4719 clicks and a total views of 1,93,915 and very huge conversion rate, which is 71.7%, and I made 30,000 rupees, which I'm gonna quickly show you as well. But how I sold all these products and how with just one single product I made this much amount of money and from where I bought this product. If you want to know all those things, all you have to do is you just have to stay till the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's quickly jump in. So first I'll show you that how much money I made in the last 30 days. So you can see that I made 25,917, and if I just refresh it, then you can see that in the last 30 days time period I made 25,917 rupees. This is the amount that I made by just selling one product. But what that product is, before I dive into it, you can see that like few days I got only 2 orders, then some days I got maximum of 11 orders as well, and how now I'm getting orders every other day. And if I go into the orders section, then you will be able to see that I have got somewhere around 6 pending orders, and in the ready to ship section there are still 2 orders to sell, right? And if you want to see which products I am selling, so you can see that I am selling these products. Now you will be asking that there are so many products that I am selling, but if you actually look at, I am only selling one product. If you just ignore this part, because I'm not getting any sales right now because of the pricing that I have done, because this same product is available on Meesho at a very low price and I'm selling it at a very high price because I'm testing out other things. But if you look at the other products that you can see, so this is the same product. It's just one single product but with different variations because it is available for different cars, right? And that is why you see different listings. So with the help of just one single product, I made this much amount of money, which I just quickly showed you. Now if you want to know from where I purchased this product and how you can sell the same product on Meesho, for that all you have to do is you have to comment down under this video and I will share you the contact details of the seller through which I bought this product, and you can also buy from him directly and you can sell it. Now you will be asking that why I am or why I will share you the contact details. The reason is that I believe in sharing and I don't mind keeping, like, I don't like, there is no harm in sharing the contact details of the supplier from which I'm getting the product, because I've already sold it many times and now I'm moving on to other products as well. So if you want to sell this same product, because I've already made a video on it, so if you want to sell the same product, you can like get the supplier details and then you can buy from him and you can sell this product as well, right? But the main thing that how I'm getting so many orders, the reason is because in the listings part, so it depends like how you have done your listings, right? So what I've done is like I have done the listing in a way that the same listing is available in 5 different variations. For example, like if you look at this one and this one, now what I've done, I have like change the color of the images, change the title of the product, and change the pricing as well. Even by even a difference of one makes a very good difference, because now what happens is like sometimes Meesho will try to push this listing, whereas sometimes it will try to push this listing, and whichever listing will get pushed and people will come on your listing page and they see that okay, this is how this product looks like, so that is where they will start buying it. So if you just list one product, so the mistake that I did during my early days is that like I listed only once, and that is where I was not getting any orders. So if I can see, let me see in the January section, so till 20th, let me try to show you. Yeah, now you see that in the early days I was only getting one order, guys. So one order, one order, one order, one order, one order, and the reason was that I only did one listing, right? So in order to get more orders, what you have to do is you have to optimize your listings. That is where the order will start pumping up, because you have to understand the algo of Meesho. So Meesho says that if you list the same product in multiple variations with different images, with different title, with different keywords, and you optimize it better, and by making a difference of even 1 rupee, it shows your customer the different types of the listings. That is why people do a more of listing, and you will be able to see that like I have done a multiple listings for the same product that I have. This way I am trying to capture the market. So if you search, let's say, self protector on Meesho, then you will be able to see, let me just type down car door seal protector. Now you will be able to see there are so many seal protectors are coming up, right? And in between my listing will also be appearing. The reason is that that I have done it multiple listings, so people or the sellers does the same thing on Meesho where they list multiple products, multiple listings for the same product, and that is where they get high priority. For example, look at this listing, guys. It is selling at 179 rupees but with a 4.2 star, and still it is ranking below. And if you look at some other products, so this is selling at only 3.6 star but this is ranking above. So this is how Meesho works. So it's very hard to predict which listing will appear at the top and which listing will go at the bottom of the page. So in order to get more orders, what you have to do, you have to list down your products at a like multiple times. Now look at this, 3.6 star but still it is ranking at the number 1 position. So if you want to get more orders for the same product, just do multiple listings and then watch out and make sure to include the relevant keywords, high quality images, because that is what will deliver you the right amount of orders to your Meesho dashboard. And if you want to understand, or if you want me or my team to manage your listings, or if you want any personal guidance, just comment down under this video and we will help you out for free.